Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the questions and answer related the NIBOS. First questions is there: why workers should involvement when developing a safety culture at workplace. This is important part. So we have to know that what is important, why workers involvement and participation needs for developing the safety cultures. Because if you are a safety professional, also you have to know that, and also proceeding the systems. So as per BOCW Act, also their reference of safety committee meetings. There is clear cut mentions in section number 38 BOCW Act. If you are going to conduct a safety committee meetings, then need to be involvement of workers and equal participation of supervisors and workers as per safety committee meetings. So guys, we have to know that why worker involvement needs. This is a legal requirement. This is also legal requirement related the involvement and participation. Then you can develop a good health safety culture. Because of this is needs. If you have some conduct trainings, and you are going to conduct a motivational programs, you are going to accident investigation at workplace, then need to involvement. Because of this, who have involved in that work, they have know that what is the unsafe, and there is also they have exposed to hazards. Every times they have to expose the hazards, and those are deeply know that what is the root cause, what is problem in that machines, what is problem in that communications, what is problem in the our buildings, like open cutouts and everything. Workers also know that. Because of this, they have also exposed the hazard during the work. So need to be well collaborations and participation and involvement of workers, and you can ask some question and also give a feedback. I think that will be very effective to organize. Because I am share one examples. Also I am working a safety professional. When we have conducted safety trainings, then ask to someone. Suppose that we are going to conduct a cutting and bending machines trainings, then some workers we are going to, if I am going to discuss about the safe practices, then we are asking to workers, then deeply explain that there is this problems in that machines. Also when we have start the machine, some maintenance problems, but maintenance department not aware about this. So maintenance supervisors, and if you are going to conduct a training, supervisors and workers should be present, and his involvement is very important to improve safety cultures. Because we are taking follow up, but deeply you have know that what is meant root cause. Then worker feedback and participation is very helpful for improvement health safety. Suppose we are conducting a safety training, some workers complain, sir, there is nothing potable water, there is no sufficient toilets, there is some other persons coming in my rooms and in my colony with influence of alcohols. So without any hesitations, you can ask that workers also feedback to you, so we can improvement whenever we are not about and not aware about this. Some workers, I am also face problem. I was not aware about the hazards, but some workers directly say that this is big hazards, there is need to be improvement of safety. Also workers, uh, if you are asking to workers also very proudful, because I am part, we are they have a part of uh, safety systems and improvement at project, and also this is a boost a moral of workers and well collaborations with workers. So guys, this is mandatory to worker participation if you are going to develop environment health safety management system, because of also this is a legal requirement. After that we are going to discuss about the about the we why why procedure should be recorded. You know that every organizations make a procedures for occupational health safety management system, how to develop a project. So this is my question, why procedures should be recorded and written down by organization. So if you are going to taking any safety manager interview, then may be asked that question, so you are aware about this. So first, procedure can be written carefully and sign a authorized competent persons, like your corporate safety managers, like your managing directors, VP levels also make a procedure as per requirement of safety in our organizations. If you are working a small organizations, there may be no need to high levels procedure develop as per your organization, as per your requirement. Need to be set a procedure by organization for better safety improvement purpose at workplace. Second thing, this is also legal requirement. If you are going to start any work, like constructions, like buildings, like others, tunnel and industrial, there is procedure should be must. Each procedure can be given proper communications related the hazards, related the eliminate how to eliminate the hazards, how to conduct a trainings, how to taking actions, disciplinary action, like penalty system, like when ever develop the procedures, organization, role, responsibility, inspection, checklist, every process will be defined in this way to work with safe cultures and day to day and update as per required of change and some modifications, some revision need to be as per required. If you are going to start certain work, if any new activity started, then revision should be must, and every yearly also revise this procedure, because of every day some difference, some hazards change, some new technology change. So you can change and revision the procedures, and old procedure need to be discard and avoid to any reuse at project, discarded and disposed to others vendors as well as. So a procedure can be also, if you are develop a procedures, then need to be considered about the some pictorials, photographs. Suppose that worker working in that machines, what is hazards, what is happen of previous incident, some incident also share in this, how to incident happen at workplace due to negligence of workers. Some pictorials, photographs also display in this, display develop in this procedures and trainings, toolbox talk and motivational programs. Entire project system develop in this procedures. If in case of happen any accident at site, then need to be know what is fault in our procedures and why accident happen at project due to not taking action as per procedure. This is main root cause of this procedure, main purpose of this procedure for develop at construction project. So guys, thanks all of you. If you are a safety professional, need to be know and explain it if anyone asks to you that questions. Thanks. Okay.